Graphs by Angelica Ibanez. The grade level I'll be working with is first grade. I also know that most first grade students are in the pre-operational stage according to Piaget. The major development of this stage is symbolic thinking. The concept of this video is graphs. The student will collect data, make a bar graph, and answer questions using the bar graph. I will start by telling the student that I took a survey about what was the favorite pet amongst people. I will explain to the student that looking at a bar graph is much faster than looking at tally marks when observing the information. The student will then collect data. After collecting the data, the student will transfer the data to make a bar graph. The student will answer questions using the bar graph she made. I will close the lesson by asking the student what she learned. The lesson is structured. I chose the experience the student will receive and gave direction for the child's action. Hello Adriana, how are you today?
Good.
You're good? We're going to talk about graphs today. Do you know what graphs are? What are graphs?
A square that has squares in the middle.
Squares in the middle? Okay. So today I took a survey of people's favorite pet. Do you see, like, I tallied, I put dog, cat, and fish, and bird. So I asked people, what is your favorite pet? And people would answer me and I will tally it. So what does this mean? So how many are those?
5.
5, okay. So I tallied and I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many people like dogs? What was their favorite pet? 6. What about cats? 4. And what about fish? 7. And what about birds? 2. So after I tallied, I made a graph. This is my graph. The same information from the tally to the graph is the same. So how many dogs again? How many? 6. What about cats?
4.
4. And fish?
7.
7. And birds?
2.
Is it easier to know what was people's favorite pet on this sheet with the tally or on the graphs? On the graphs, because it's easier to know because you know which one has more. On this one it's kind of hard because you have to count. So now let's answer some questions. What pet is the most favorite? Looking at the graph, what pet is the most favorite?
Fish.
Fish. Let's write down fish. How many more people like fish than cats? So looking at this, how many people like fish?
7.
7. And it's asking how many more people like fish than cats. So what is cats?
4.
4. So what are we doing?
Taking away.
We're taking away, we're subtracting. We're subtracting fish
And cats.
and cats. So it's how many fish?
7.
7 minus
4.
minus 4 is
3.
3. So let's write that down. So today I'm gonna want you to take a survey. So we're gonna go out and take a survey, okay? We're gonna ask people this. What's your favorite food for Thanksgiving? Okay? So we're gonna go outside and you're gonna ask people, what's your favorite food for Thanksgiving? And you're gonna tally.
My favorite food for Thanksgiving is turkey.
The signs are changed. That's it.
Thanksgiving food.
I like pumpkin pie.
So what did you find out in your survey? Let's count out the tallies, okay? Here you go. So how many people like turkey?
6.
Okay, let's write down 6. How many people like cranberry sauce?
1.
1. Okay. Mashed potatoes?
4.
4. Okay. How many people like squash?
0.
0. Nobody likes squash. Sweet potatoes. How many people like sweet potatoes?
2.
2. And pumpkin pie?
5.
5. Now that you counted up the tally, I want you to make a graph. Okay? Make a graph of how many people like turkey. So how many people like turkey?
6.
So where are you gonna color to?
6.
To 6. So you're gonna color to 6. And then cranberry sauce
1.
to 1. So you can color this. You can use any colors. Good job. I like your graph. Now, with your graph, you're gonna answer some questions. So can you tell me, what Thanksgiving food is the most favorite? Looking at the graph, which one's the most favorite? Turkey. So let's write down turkey. So what did we learn today, Adriana?
About graphs.
About graphs. Is it easier to know what people like from here or from the graph?
From the graph.
From the graph, because you can see it.